Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix a controller not working in Assetto Corsa Rally on PC. Whether you're using an Xbox, PlayStation, Switch, or a generic controller, these solutions will help you get your gamepad working perfectly again. Let's get started. Solution 1. First, open Steam. Go to your library and find Assetto Corsa Rally. Right-click the game and select Properties. On the left side, click the Controller tab. Now look for the drop-down labeled Override for Assetto Corsa Rally. Select Enable Steam Input. Launch the game and check if your controller works. If it still doesn't work, go back to the same drop-down and select Disable Steam Input, then test again. One of these two settings usually fixes the issue depending on your controller type. Solution 2. Open Steam again. Click on Settings. Go to the Controller section and look for External Gamepad Settings. Now enable only the settings you actually use, if you use an Xbox controller. Turn on Steam Input for Xbox controllers. If it doesn't work, try disabling it. If you use a PlayStation controller, find PlayStation controller support, try Not Enabled first. If it doesn't work, choose Enable for games without support if you use a Switch or generic controller. Apply the same idea, enable or disable to see which works. You can also install the Xbox Extended Feature Support driver if needed. Solution 3. Reset the controller in Device Manager. Open the Start menu and type Device Manager. Open it. Expand Human Interface Devices. Find your controller in the list. Right-click it and select Disable Device. Then right-click it again and choose Enable Device. This refreshes the controller connection and often solves detection issues instantly. Solution 4. Update or reinstall your controller driver. If your controller still isn't working, try updating the driver manually. Right-click your controller in Device Manager and choose Update Driver. Click Browse My Computer for drivers. Then choose Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select your controller driver and click Next. Wait for the installation to finish. Now launch Assetto Corsa Rally and test your gamepad. It should now work correctly, and that's it. These are 4 effective methods to fix controller issues in Assetto Corsa Rally on PC. Try them one by one until your controller starts working. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment if you need more help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.